Hello guys, myself Train Academy. Welcome back to this new video. So let's continue the series of Learn Ethical Hacking from Zero with me and using OverTheWire Bandit. So in the previous episode, that was episode 2, we have finished till level 5. But now this is level 6 we are going to introduce in this new video, and this is episode 3. So let's continue the series and the video. So as you if you guys, or if you are watching this video, like specifically only this video you are watching from me, from on this channel, then kindly go to the first video of this playlist and watch the playlist so that you can understand like what is going on in this series. So currently we are at level 6, like we need to cross level 6 so that we can get access for the flag and the password for the next level. So as you guys already know, every level has its goal. So the goal of this level is that the password for the next level is stored in a file somewhere under the in here directory and has all the properties. That is human readable file. The bytes of the file is 1033 and the file is not executable. Okay. So for this, if you know the find command, that is better. But if you don't know, then that is a issue, but that is not a issue also. Just a minute, let me open a new terminal. Let's increase the font size. Then we will put this command ssh-p. Then we will log in using the credentials where we left. We left at 5th level. So the username is 5, bandit 5. So let's put the password. Since we are saving the password, so we don't have issue that we need to go from level 1. So let's clear the screen and let's check. Yes, there is a directory that is in here. Here you can see under the in here directory, and these are the properties. So for finding these, you need to check the directory. So first let's check the directory. Let's go inside the directory, and here you can see there are lots of directories. 1 2 3 4, and here 1 2 3 4 5. 5 into 3 15. There are total 15 directories. So if you will go manually one by one, then it will take too much time. So there is a command. And one more thing I would like to say, that if you are learning yourself, like you want to search commands or basically understand this thing, not everybody can remember all the commands. So you can use AI or Google. So basically here we are going to use this command, find dot let me copy this command and explain you all. Let's copy wait control shift V, sorry, control C, control all right, yeah, sorry. So here we got the command. So what this means, basically, okay, now this is good. So the first thing is that we are going to use the find. Find what? We are going to find a human readable file. So what this dot represents, you need to first give this find command, then you need to give this dot. This dot represents that the find command will search inside the directories and inside those directories also. You can get this stuff by this thing. When you will enter this command, here you can see there is only single directory reference, that is this. Maybe here 07. Yes, the file is inside this. But what I am trying to say, that this dot commands goes into the directory, then inside that directory, and then inside also if the file is not founded. So let's understand by going back in the directories. Okay, now we will see pwd. So we came 1 2 3 times back the directories. Here is nothing, just a single dash. We are at the system level. So now if we will give the same command, find dot this, then here you can see we got many things. ASCII text file here more ASCII, but the working file is here because the everything is matching here. Okay, so here you can see the dot commanded did what? First the dot went to the home, then bandit, then in here, then this, but we were going from this. So the dot, if you will not give the dot, then it will not go in the directory inside that. So let's come back to our directory first, then let's understand. So here you can see there is a type. Type means file. What type of file you are referring. Then the size of the file, because the question says that the size of the file should be exactly 1033 bytes and the file should not be executable. This exclamatory mark represents not. If you have studied any computer system architecture, then you can understand this. Or any simple maths also. So it is not executable file, and here is the syntax for the command. And then the plus grep. We are using this grep command because this is already mentioned that this is a human readable. So human readable means ASCII text file. So we are using grep for filtering out the command. Since we already ran the command, so let's directly go to this file. And one more thing I have noticed that this file is hidden because there is a dot. I will say that. Okay, so for clarifying more, let's go to the directory. So we are inside the maybe here the 07 directory, and yes, my intention was right. Intention, or you can say intuition. Okay, my intuition was right, not intention. Here you can see we got the file. So for file, seeing the file inside, what is that? We can give this particular. Oh, sorry, set Control C and then come back cat dot slash this, and then here is called dot file 2, and boom, we got the password for the next level. Since you can copy paste it, so you need to save this for level this. I have already saved. So here you can see how easily you can use the file command to get inside directory, or basically how to find a proper file if there are specifications like this. Okay, so in this video this was all, because I am going from level by level. So from now videos will come level wise, so that you guys can continue if you were left something or like that. It will be very easy for you guys also. So this was all in this video. Let's see you guys in the new video. Bye bye. Regards, and have a cat.